What's going on, you guys? Matthew here, back with another video. And today is day 150 of Metro Manila Community Quarantine. And today we decided to order some food from Joliant for lunch. Okay guys, so here is what we ordered. Okay guys, so here is what we ordered. So let's first open the first package. Okay, so here is what we have inside. So let's open it up. So in over here we have there some sinigang sa miso with salmon belly. But let's now open the second package. Okay, there we go. Okay, so over here we have their sisig with egg, and over here, let's open it up, we have their lumpia Shanghai. So over here we have their sinigang sa miso with salmon belly. Over here is their lumpia Shanghai, and over here is their pork sisig with egg.